If you need to take a break, take a break. But then come back to the fight. If you need to go get healing, go get healed so that you can be whole and think clearly. And then come back to the fight.
Man, I got him too. I can fuck that up.
But don't stop fighting. Just learn to fight differently. Learn to fight with your mind. Learn to use the same laws they have against them. Learn how the system works so that you work the system against them. And then more importantly, learn how to come together as a people and build together, create together. We need to create entrepreneurial opportunities so that we have financial equality. We need to build up our education system and educate our children so that our children can rise higher. We need to go back to our roots of loving one another. Brother, brother, sister, sister. You're not my enemy and I'm not yours. God bless you all.
What do we want? 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 Let me ask y'all, would y'all please just forgive me for what I said, my language. Would y'all please forgive me and give God a round? Give God a round. Give him a round, please. Yes, sir.
Don't shoot!
Dear family, dear believers, dear family, dear brothers and sisters, I'd like for us to order, as we have a silent prayer for Brother George and his family. We have a moment of silence for Brother George and his family, please. Please, have your attention over here. We have a silent prayer for Brother George and his family.
Yeah, of course. I ain't letting him go nowhere.
With the lost name and merciful benefactor of the merciful Redeemer, O Allah, the most peaceful, send your choicest blessings to Brother George and his family.
Akkam jirtu daawwattoota keenya daawwachaatti kan jirtan tamsaasa kallattiin isinii darbaatti kan jiru Oromoo Diyaaspoora Miidiyaadhaa as magaalaa
Lakkuu Minneapolis&St.Paulitti. Give me a big round of applause. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. A true servant of the community. Come on. The mic is open, man. This is our you are family, man. We love all y'all, man. We love all y'all, man. Ain't never love out here today. Ain't never love out here. What do we want? What do we want? What do we want? Come on. Come on, who wants to say something? I know you got something to say. You got something on your heart. We've lost too many people. We can change that. Because, you know, true policing means that you work with us. We know some people need to go to jail. We know some folks are criminals. But you know what? You let them go to jail through the time and live to come out. That's all we know. We understand the system. We let it be fair. We let it be real. That's all we know. But when you see that brother right there, so many people cannot sleep at night because of that. So it hurts our community.
Yes, that's why we are here to fight for our freedom. Since you guys already making trouble, you want to know where about the world. The trouble going up now is quarantine. You know what they want us to do? They want us to kill us with the corona. That's why they bring this kind of trouble thing. Let's think that. They want to cut our attention from the policy. They want to cut our attention.
They ready!
We work hard to build this country, along with our native brothers and all our other brothers and sisters, and we never fully got what we deserve. Matter of fact, we gave more than we got. We kept giving and kept giving, and now we can't give no more. So what do we want? Justice! What do we want? Justice! What do we want it? Now! 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 got something to say. Young brother, you got a future. Come on. Okay, sing it. So, come on, y'all. Somebody say something. We got some powerful people out here. Come on, come on. Yep. Use your voice. Use your voice in the right way. Use your voice in the right way that's going to make a difference in our community. Use your voice in the right way that's going to be good for that baby right there. It's going to be safe for that baby right there. Use your voice in a way that's going to be good. Hey, let me tell you something. My young people, that young sister, man, that's my future. That's my future. When I'm too far gone, she's got to take it over. She's got to figure out how to protect them babies like I had to do for 20-something years. She's got to figure out how to protect grandma like I had to do for 20-something years. She's got to figure out that. Let's give it up for our young people. Give it up. That's our future. They only know what we teach them. They only know what we teach them. If we only teach them violence, that's all they're going to know. If we teach them love, they're going to know that. So we got to know. Black lives. Black lives. Black lives. Black lives. Black lives. Come on. Somebody get up here and say a few words. Come on.
Hi, y'all. I know what we saw was very, very messed up. Who wants to see somebody on the ground pleading for their life, begging for their mother, a grown man pleading for you to just take your knee off his foot so he could breathe? He begged you to breathe. Why? Why did he have to die? That's what we want to know. And you guys up there protecting a murderer, we want to know, why was George Floyd killed? Why did he die? Why are all these innocent black people dying? Is it because the color of our skin? The tone of our voice? What is it that makes us so scary that you always have to pull a gun or a taser or mace? Why can't you talk? Use your voice. Peace. That's all we want. Why can't you use your voice? Use it. We want peace. Why did he have to die? That's the question. Why do we have to be afraid to call somebody that's supposed to protect us? Why? We can't even pick up a phone when we hear shootings because we're afraid that we're going to be the ones getting shot because the color of our skin. We just want to know, why can't there be peace in this world? Why can't we trust the ones that are supposed to protect us? We want to know. And we want to get all these cops that have killed innocent people locked up. You guys kill murderers but can't lock up a murderer? That is crazy and unbelievable. Why are we getting killed? Because the color of our skins. Did he even know that was a fake bill? Why did he have to die because of a fake bill? He couldn't have simply got arrested? Those 10 minutes he was laying on the ground pleading for his life, you couldn't have just put him in the cop car. It just breaks my heart to have to see so many black people dying because of the color of their skin. We want justice! When do we want it? We want justice, and when do we want it? Let's say it one more time. We want justice and we want it. Yes.
Excuse me, young lady. Excuse me. Young lady, what's your name? Huh? Nevaeh? Can y'all give it up for Nevaeh? Powerful sister, man. Powerful. Man. Do you know the kind of pain it takes to make her that powerful, though? Do you know the kind of pain that it takes in her heart to make her that powerful? It takes a lot of pain, and it's not easy. She's so young. She shouldn't have had to deal with all that in her life. Give her another round, y'all. Come on. Powerful sister. We love you. We love you, sister. Man, we love you. Man, I feel like I lost my voice, man, because I come up here, man, on some positive, and I got a little negative shot at me, but I'm okay. Understand this, when Black Lives Matter first came to Minnesota, this truck was the truck. Okay? And so I was there then, and I'm there now. Okay? And so all I want to know is, what do we want? What do we want? What do we want? When do we want it? When do we want it?
And I want black people to stop dying because of the color of their skin.
I just want to say, my great-grandmother, she built Section 8 housing in this city for 25 years. My grandmother built the Section 8 in this city for 25 years. I have one question for y'all. Where is your vision of servitude? When do you start serving the people? I have one question. When do you start serving the people? When you bring weapons against the people that pay your pension. That's all I gotta say. And y'all can marinate on that shit.
All right.
My name is Alexis. I represent a non-profit organization called Freedom from the Streets. I'm out here today. I came out yesterday, and I fight for people because we're not being talked about either.
lubbuun gurraachaa iddoo argachuu qaba kan jedhuu fi kanneen biroodha isaan dubbachaa jiranii Minneapolis, Minnesota is a place Black Lives Matter. That's the main issue they are targeting because it's a connection with the previous killing happened on a black man by the white police. They are asking about the rights or the freedoms of iddoo kanatti immoo akkuma argaatti jirtanii yommuu namoonni poolisootatti ba'uudhaan
You're going to wait on my bag on the other end of your bag. All of you, I declare and decree in the almighty name of Yahweh. Don't let it be spoken. Don't let it be done. Kill King. You killed Malcolm. You killed Major Evers. God hates you. God hates you. That's it. You will stab your fucking ass. Small ass. You will pay. They bring them in. They get scared. They get scared. That's bullshit. They're not scared of shit. Stop that fucking lie. What the fuck are they scared of? Us yelling? What? What the fuck are you talking about? You don't know what you're talking about. They're not fucking scared. Hey, you a coward. Hey, you an army reject, nigga. You see a white flag being waved over there? Huh?
They're not putting their weapon down.
That doesn't mean they're scared. That just means they're ready for war. We're the ones that are scared. Hey, hey.
Out here, neither is Houston. Rest in peace, George Floyd. Live forever, baby. SUC till I die. Yeah, I'm really from here. I'm really from here. We from the same neighborhood. A lot of people don't understand that shit. He was a Houston legend. That man was a legend. He was a legend.
Johnny just been filming, but he been watching me though.
How many of us know that? Hey, I was there when Central Plan got murdered.
Hello, my viewers. this is live stream from Minneapolis, Minnesota, especially here for the last 3 days. There was protests in different cities. Their question is all about human rights, respect here in different cities called USA. The other question is in connection with the previous one of the black men is killed by white cops. That's the point. That's another.
And what happened recently, we had a massive shooting at a church. What's happening? We can't go to church. We can't go on a run. We can't go to our neighborhood store and feel safe.
We can't live in fear either, though.
Right. So, in respect to the ballot of Birmingham, I wrote a ballot. This ballot is for you. This ballot is for George Floyd. This ballot is for me. Can y'all hear me back there? I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. I've been out here since noon. I've been out here all last night. I had my phone out. I went news on purpose, and the reason that I started that platform is so that we can showcase us in the full light, not as animals and as terrorists that they try and paint the picture of. WCCO only showed the vandalism, but they didn't show the peaceful protest. They didn't show that 4-mile march from 38th in Chicago to the 3rd precinct. They didn't show that because they want to make us look negative. They want to make us look like animals. So I just want to show the full story. I want to give you all the information that's unbiased so then you can make an informed decision based on your life. All right, let me get to it. This is the ballot. So in 1963, she said, "Mother dear, may I go downtown instead about to play and march the streets of Birmingham in a freedom march today." That was by Dudley Randall.
That probably make them mad.
And in 2020, I'm saying, "Mother, pray for me." I'm going down to the site today. We're in a pandemic, but they won't let my people breathe.
What you want to do?
Pray for me that the same thing that happened to him don't happen to me. Mother, pray for me that my face mask prevent me from this virus and this disease. And my mother said, "Be safe. You're grown, so I can't tell you not to go, but watch out for the smoke grenades, the dogs, and the snakes walking beside you. They are not your friends, baby, because as soon as things clear out, they will leave you." I say, "I understand, Mom. I won't be alone. I'll be with our people, crying, marching, fighting for the same hope as me, and that is to make our country free." She said, "Oh, baby, oh, please be safe. Please carry your mace. Please call me when you get there, when you return to your car, and when you make it home safe." Oh, and one more thing. My mother said, "I'm proud of you. I am very proud of you. You are my child. You are black, and I want you to come home." My mother smiled through the phone, hung up, and on her knees she prayed. Watching coverage on the news, how they painted the pictures of the vandalism and the fights, the smoke grenades, the explosions, and the fake bodies. She dials my phone over and over and over again in a panic, crying just to hear my voice again, just to make sure that I'm safe. Finally, after hours pass, I call my mother back, and I say, "I love you, and I'm safe. The news may cover us as animals and as terrorists, but what I seen was peaceful, because guess what, y'all? I was there. I was there from about 5:30 last night till about 9 p.m. I was there. What I seen was community and solidarity. I was there. I was amongst my people, and before it got dark, I came home because I want to live. See, once again, there was some vandalism, there was some riots. But let me
Why do you select this statement? Can you say a few words about this statement?
That most of the majority of the individuals that were vandalizing were not people of color. You hear me? They are not black. So when my mama say that there are snakes marching amongst you, she means that they are the people that say that they are allies, and they're going up here turning over cars and punching out windows, and then guess who the picture is painted on? Us. We're made to look like animals. We're made to look like terrorists. We were always in the wrong
community leaders that are out here trying to tell the white people to get away when we're all together. So nobody gonna warn us.
Ain't nobody gonna warn us when it's our last day when we finna get shot.
We should all try together as well. They can shoot all day, they can mace all day, we got milk.
Is that what the milk was for?
I got that.
Because I saw all that milk yesterday and I was like, why is there like 12 gallons of milk on the ground?
But they shot like 20 rounds of
Drenching everybody in milk for out of the way. There's a lady that's out here with the
Ayya daawwattoota keenya akkuma daawwachaa turtan daandiin kallattii Leek Street irraa gara St.Paulitti geessu guutummaatti cufameera. Akkasuma immoo daandiin Leek Streetiif mi'aa wal qaxxaamursus guutummaatti cufameeti kan nuyi arginu. Magaalaa Lakkuu Minneapolis&St.Paulitti keessatti jechuudha. Bakkeen kun bakka immigraantiin irra jireessa yookiis immoo warreen jireenya badhaadhaa dhufan gudeessa jiraatanidha. Waan akkasiif jechuudha kan taajabnu kunoo konkolaataa hedduudha kan naannoo kanatti arginu.
Come on, give it up for our future. That's our future right there. Y'all can make some real noise for the babies when they come up and they speak. That's who takes our places when we go. I'm excited, man. I get excited. You know, sometimes, man, you just gotta just relax and let God do what He's gonna do. We got some beautiful young people out here, man. I'm tremendously proud of y'all, man. Because you're fighting for what's right. You're fighting for George. He's so proud. He's up there in heaven looking down on us, man, and saying thank you. Thank you for fighting so the next man don't have to go through it. Thank you for fighting so we don't have to keep going through this. Thank you for fighting. What do we want? What do we want? What do we want? When do we want it? Come on, somebody, come on. Take this mic. Yes, sir. Like that sister said earlier, some of us with these silver beards, we didn't just protest. This ain't the first time we got hit upside the head, first time we swallowed gulps of gas. This stretches all the way back to 1602, when they brought our black souls over here for free labor and enterprise. And if we continue to wait for Eurocentric tribes to liberate Afrocentric tribes, you got to read more and realize their power has never been conceded. It has always been taken. We're doing peace marches and they're doing pillaging and murdering and killing. We're doing peace marches. Philip Castillo has, you know what I'm talking about over in St. Paul. It's a beautiful peace garden. But yet it's still that peace garden didn't stop that peace officer from putting his knee on the cervix 7 of that 6'6" black prince and taking his life out with his hands in his pocket. We got to get better than angry. We got to get better than fed up. We got to get better than kneeling and praying and groveling and asking white folk for black freedom. We've got to begin to think about the next step. This is beautiful to protest. They got fired. They're not in jail. They're not locked up. They haven't been indicted. They've been arrested. And so what I'm saying to you, why am I speaking for just a few moments? Just to put something else on your mind. Something else. Until we as African American men on this soil make a resolution that we will not steal from, we will not kill, we will not rape, we will not pillage, we will not run from our sons and daughters, we will not hide. I look around for the beards and I see 1 or 2 black silver beards. You see what I'm saying? We got comfortable in this so-called Minnesota nice, where every 3 or 4 months, they take the opportunities, just as opportunists do, to put their knee on a brother's neck and kill him. And then say, I'm sorry. And then say it's wrong. And then give a white girl from Australia's family $20 million. $20 million. They almost changed the gross national product of Australia because one woman got killed in South Minneapolis. Can you imagine if they gave us $20 million for Tyrell Nelson? If they gave us $20 million for Jamar Clark? If they gave us $20 million for all the brothers that they've been killing before they had flip phones and iPhones and no phones? You young black men, you hear me. And you young sisters, you hear me. It's not gonna change. church. No. I hate to tell you, we're not home. We're in a foreign land that ain't even the white man's land. But they act like it is. And then they treat us like we're less than. Then they look at us confused when the truth smacks them in the head. Until we come together and unite for our advancement in meetings, in planning, in understanding, and progressing, it won't get better. If it was gonna get better from protests, we should be in heaven. All the asphalt Martin Luther King stomped on, Jesse Jackson stomped on, Medgar Evers spilled his blood, Malcolm X. My question is, how much blood do you want? We did it for 200 years in the soil and in the dirt, chopping cotton from can to can, picking sugar cane from can to can. Then we got Jim Crow, and now we getting murdered in broad daylight in the name of this white justice. We will never have it until we come together and be sincere and genuine about our own investment, by our own bootstraps. Stop taking these handouts because they're handouts. Stop going out there on your knees with your hands cupped together saying, Master, please. That man begged for his life in the broad daylight of Almighty God. And that no good slithering Simon servant put his hands in his pocket and put more weight on his cervix 7. And then they lied and said he died in the hospital. Any black person know we ain't dead until we stop moving. That's why Cotton Rodney King kept moving. That brother died on the asphalt. We gotta wake up and come together. I love what that sister said before me. Don't be asleep. Don't think everyone out here is out here to help you. There's a lot of phones clicking. They got this guy in the sky clicking. They got their boys on the rooftop hoping we act up so they can add to his blood. We gotta come together and reason. I thank God for this brother standing here. He doesn't remember, but I know, man, when they first started, I thank God he was coming up the North High when I was working at North, way back in the 90s. But he can tell you what's changed. We have to be the change, y'all. Stop expecting white folk to love us. Would you please and love yourself? Stop depending on someone else to love us. We have to love ourselves enough to stop letting red and blue kill black. To stop letting rich and poor kill black. To stop letting infanticide and infantry come into our people. Stand by your black queens. Yeah, they might get loud, but all women get loud. We got to come together in the name of love for ourselves. I'm done with peace marches. We don't have the war. We're not killing them. It's either us killing us or them killing us. You can't show me a brother since Jerry Hall that has killed the cop. I'm not asking for that. I'm just simply saying, why are we always having the peace march? Last thing, do y'all remember that movie 5 Hot Beats? You remember they brought that album out? Them brothers with those songs with melodic voices that cut that album. And when they showed the picture, in a heartbeat with a bunch of blonde-headed dudes with blue eyes. And the man came up and said, we gotta cross over. And that brother said to that movie, God bless you, Robert John. He said, why we always crossing over to them? When are they gonna cross over to us? They still our rhythm, our rap, our rock, our roll, our hip, our hop, but we still not accepted. They accept our talents in the NBA, in the NHL, and in the baseball league, and even in golf and boxing, but they don't accept us. Wake up. God bless you. I hope you heard what I had to say. I don't need no applause. That's all right, give it up. Give it up to my brother. Hey, this brother really took a better course last night in the back, but he's all right. Give him a big round, y'all. He took a bus trying to save a couple other people. hero. He didn't want me to say nothing, but he's a hero. He saved 2 other people from getting hurt, so he took the pressure. That's a good man. Give him another round. Give him another round. Rev McAfee. That's my guy, Rev McAfee. He right there. He's a warm-up, bro. Rev McAfee.
Tell me about how many times I've been in this position. Somebody mentioned Tasha and Nelson. Tasha and Nelson had problems, but
every day. There's a lot of things that we don't speak about, a lot of things we don't say, and it's time to stop being quiet. It's time. I mean, how many more lives do you lose?
What do you think will be the change? What do you think will happen when you saw at least that in this particular case, with the police were fired almost within 48 hours of what happened?
It doesn't mean anything to me. I don't feel like they'll be charged. It's enough to try to get everybody to be quiet, to chill out. They need to be in jail like anyone else. They need at least a 72-hour loan. It's the least they owe us. Termination is not enough. They're criminals just like anybody else. And we should all have to go through the same process.
Everything that you do in this arena is going to have an effect on everybody around you. So, yes, everybody's peace. But you've got to make sure that you hold it to the best of your ability. Fight.
What do you make of what happened in this particular case? How people are coming out and condemning what they saw on that video?
Like I said, we're seeing it over and over. It's always the same result. And like I said, we can't take the risk. That's traumatizing. To look on social media and see someone taking their last breath. Think about the family. The man who's definitely your family member.
But even greater than that, what you have got to understand, the Supreme Court has made it so hard for police officers to be convicted because the threshold for deadly force is only they got to feel for it. Do you hear what I'm saying to you? And that is not. The Supreme Court has upheld that 4 times, y'all. Now, when do you think anybody get up and don't feel threatened? And so, as we are protesting out here, we got to make sure that we're getting the laws changed. Because if those laws don't get changed, we're going to continue to fight a fight when we're going against knowing you just got to feel that way. So y'all keep protesting, keep fighting, keep sticking that fist up, keep doing what you need to do, but be safe, all right?
Come on, give it up. Brother McAfee. Black lives! Black lives! Black lives! Black lives! Black lives! Black lives! What do we want? What do we want? What do we want? When do we want it? 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 Come on up, baby.
Okay, kind of like that lady was saying about Birmingham, a lot of the stuff that went on was because the police were being covered up. Like, that shit was being covered up by the police. Everybody was working together. That's why those people are not in jail right now. So what I feel like we should do is probably apply some pressure to the police officers. Instead of standing right here and saying the same stuff that we've already said for years on end, we need to apply pressure. There's nothing going on. Like, we all know.
I
just want to say this. The police are put in system to protect the rich from the poor.
when the penal system was switched over from slavery to now we have our jail system, overseer, the word overseer was changed to officer. So these people are put in place to keep us in check, keep us downtown. Just hope they're right. So this is not nothing new. This is what we're doing. This is not nothing new. I'm from Houston, Texas. I know all about it. I know all about it. That man was a legend in my city where I'm from. He was a legend in my city where I'm from. For real, he was a legend.
Taking pictures and shit. Y'all seen him with his camera? He just was taking pictures and shit. He didn't take the right picture though. He didn't have our fingers up. He should have.
If it's too crowded up here, you want to go do some business, get some fireworks? How about
Yeah, man.
Hey man, we got kids out here. We got kids out here. We got kids out here.
Amma jeequmsa guddaa uumamaatti bira waan akkasiidha. Iddoo kanatti kiliipi kun gara jeequmsaatti jijjiirameeti kan jiru waan Now the protest is changing into a kind of conflict nowadays. Now currently we are hearing different sounds. There is a kind of sound or something like that one. Namoonni naannoo kana jiranii bishaan gara dirreetti darbachaa jiru, poolisoonni darbachaa jiru. Kanatti gaggeeffamaa gaggeeffamaa jiru kan nama ajjeesu osoo hin taane waan sagalee dhudhuudhaan namoota sodaachisuu danda'udha. Kanadha kan taasifamaa jiru dubbichi gara jeequmsaatti jijjiirameetti jira. Namni kamiyyuu miira keessa seenee argaatti jirra. Everybody is emotional now because since everybody heard the sound which looks like a gun sound, everybody becoming very irritated, becoming very nervous, and everybody is raising their hands as you have seen it here on diaspora media. Currently I'm live streaming from Minneapolis, Minnesota, where people are gathered, thousands of people are gathered together and protesting and they are asking for the right of Blacks Matter.
Don't invite the sucker to yourself. Everybody stop. Everybody chill out. Don't nobody do nothing. Everybody chill out. We just ain't saying what the word is. And if the word is, it's not necessary. It ain't necessary, y'all. It's not necessary.
police no fucking police.
Don't let them do y'all like that, because we gonna be the blast for everything. For a reason why they did something to everybody.
Hey yo. Hey, first thing first. Everybody that's throwing shit up there, y'all need to stop. Hey, that's 100. That's 100. Excuse my French. Hey, look, hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Everybody hands up.
Right.
Hey, fam.
Right.
Hey, look. Hey, we got too many young people out here for y'all to be putting their lives in jeopardy. We got babies out here, y'all throwing rocks, making them shoot back at us. How many of y'all got bulletproof vests on right now? How many of y'all got your own damn paintball gun? Come on, man, think. Be wise. This is the problem. We not organized. We not educated. This is the problem. This is the problem. Hands up. Man, I got some. Hey, look, I said they killed Martin. He was leading with love. Knocked the Black Panthers off the map. You know they couldn't see us with guns. Fred Hampton in the pool full of blood. So many assassinations in the nation. We on the run, but I won't run no more. Stand and fight in the war. Organize my troops to shoot the truth right through the core. Kicking the door when they lock me out. We see the score after score and they trying to stop me now, but they call me Brown. Ain't no justice from the outside. That's only within. If more of our people see it that way, then we gon' win. I mean, we already won, but fell in the victimhood. Disconnected, miseducated, and so misunderstood. Wish I could heal the world. If I had one wish, was pissed going up, finding out genies didn't exist. I bees with a fist in my air, like the sister with an afro hairstyle, and all black holding it down. Many families, hey, for real, many families broken down from a systematic strategy. Diplomatic leaders colonizing nationalities. Evil tactics they practice attacking our humanity. History repeating itself and I see insanity. On a journey seeking for wealth and they want to manage me. Take advantage of my talents but not have me eat. I'll be in the grave before being a slave. Tumbling in my DNA, we gon' keep breaking them chains. Because each and every night, each and every day, for freedom I'ma fight in each and every way. Say it, each and every night, each and every day, for freedom I'ma fight in each and every way. Each and every night, each and every day, for freedom I'ma fight in each and every way. Each and every night, each and every day, for freedom I'ma fight in each and every way. Man, keep y'all hands up, man. Hands up, don't shoot, man. Hey, we got something to say, man. Hey, the young people finna take this over real quick. We got something to say, man. Talk to these people, Prince. Man, talk to these people. We out here, man. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Yeah. Hands up. Hands up. Everybody keep your hands up.
They want us to act a fool. They want us to sit up and act like clowns out here and start attacking so they can start popping back. That's what they're trying to do. Y'all better listen and understand what I'm saying. All they want is a reason to do something to another person or to our people, whatever. That's what they want. They want us to act the motherfucking idiot, excuse my language, want us to act the fool out here so they can do what the one they do, so they can have a reason. That's what they want, a reason. That's why they up there. You don't see the man he got pops, he pointed down at Papa's with you. Hear me? Look upstairs.
I really just want to say, like, until us black people come together as a team and as a family and as a unit, we don't all share the same blood, but we all share the same skin. So as that blood, we got to come together and these white people just, I want to see them looking down at us. day we come together and be on business, real business shit, they ain't gonna have shit to do like at all. They can't have nothing, no type of power, no none of that. So like I said, they not gonna respect us until we respect ourselves. Stop killing each other for real. The young black brothers just come together for the sake of our women, all of that, y'all mom, the black brothers come together, stop killing each other for real. For real, we need y'all. We don't need y'all killing each other. Like that's just real shit. Real shit. That's just real shit. Like man, y'all is real. Y'all black men, stay strong. Stay strong for y'all families, for y'all kids, everything. Just stay strong and stop killing each other. It's not worth it. It's really not. It's not worth it. We got everything to lose.
Come on, give it up for my sister. You see her pain? We got so much pain. We got so many sisters and brothers like that are hurting bad. Hey, yo. Hey, RP to my cousins and Mark Clark, you heard? We went through the city on motherfucking north side, you heard? Everything y'all just did, I called it out 10 minutes before y'all did it. I'm pointing all y'all out. It's fucked up because y'all start shooting. Ain't nobody out here being violent. Fuck you niggas. I got my shirt off shooting. Aim at me, bruh. You, pussy ass nigga. You, pussy ass nigga. Shoot me, cuz. You, pussy ass nigga. All people, everybody got killed. Ain't nobody scared. Y'all keep getting away with it, but when we kill each other though, over drugs, whatever, we the problem. The reason why we killing each other, because y'all won't give us shit. But you just shot at a whole crowd. Don't know if it's kids out there, nothing. Fuck you, you cool, fuck you, I quit, bitch. On the why, you heard? Look, so when I say black lives, y'all say matter, black lives, black lives. When I say George, y'all say Floyd, George, 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 Floyd, George. When I say black lives, y'all say matter, black lives, 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 black lives. If we don't get it, shut it down. If we don't get it, shut it down. If we don't get it, I'm gonna teach it to you. Look. If we don't get it, shut it down. 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 If George don't get it, shut it down. If George don't get it, shut it down. If George don't get it, shut it down. If we don't get it, shut it down. If we don't get it, shut it down. If we don't get it, shut it down. If our city don't get it, shut it down. If our city don't get it, shut it down. If our city don't get it, shut it down. Shit, if George don't get it, if George don't get it, if George don't get it, when I say black lives, y'all say matter. Black lives, 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 black lives. When I say Michael, y'all say Brown. Michael, 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 Michael. When I say Trayvon, y'all say Martin. Trayvon, 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 Trayvon. When I say Ayana, you say Jones. Ayana, 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 Ayana. When I say Marcus, y'all say Golden. Marcus, 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 Marcus. When I say Jamar, y'all say Clark. Jamar, 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 Jamar. When I say George, y'all say Floyd. George, Floyd, George, Floyd, George, Floyd, George, Floyd, George, George,
George. We not say Philando, y'all say Castile. Philando. If we don't get it, if we don't get it, shut it down. If we don't get it, if we don't get it, hey, ho, these crooked cops have got to go. Hey, ho, these crooked cops have got to go. Hey, ho, these crooked cops have got to go. Hey, ho, these crooked cops have got to go. When I say no more, y'all say MPD. No more. When I say abolish, y'all say police. Abolish. When I say no more, y'all say MPD. No more. When I say hands up, y'all say don't shoot. Hands up. Wait, hold up, no. When I say handcuffed, y'all say don't shoot. Handcuffed. When I say abolish, y'all say police. Abolish. Who's the biggest terrorist? MPD. Who's the biggest terrorist? MPD. Who's the biggest terrorist? Who's our city's 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 terrorist? Who don't serve you? Who don't serve you? Who don't serve you? Who don't serve you? Who shoots at you? Who shoots at you? Who shoots at you? Who shoots at you? When I say abolish, y'all say MPD. Abolish. All right, let's get it. Black lives, they matter here. Say 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 my life, it matters here. Say my life, it matters here. Say black lives, they matter here. Black lives, they matter here. When I say George, y'all say Floyd. George. I need y'all to scream it. George.
Ayun dapat ito sa ganito po agad-agad hindi garuu kalektik ko siniderban ko sa Magaalaa, Lakkuu Magaalaa Minneapolis&St.Paulitti Magaalaa Lakkuu ini gudang ini kuni Magaalaa Lakkuu kan Magaalaa Minneapolis&St.Paulitti sama kana video
When I say Sandra, y'all say Bled. Sandra, Sandra. When I say Eric, y'all say Garner. Eric Garner. When I say Freddie, y'all say Gray. Freddie. When I say Marcus, y'all say Golden. Marcus. When I say Philando, y'all say Castillo. Philando. Let's just let them know what George was saying. I can't breathe. 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 Scream it. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Scream it for joy. I can't breathe. 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 Hey, y'all, give a round to my brother. This is my son right here. Give it up. This is my dude right here, man. I love him so much. I gotta go, y'all. I'm going on 38th in Chicago. God bless you all. God bless y'all. What do we want? What do we want? When do we want it? When do we want it? When do we want it?
Hey, yo, check this out. Check this out. See, I know Eve didn't tell Adam to split the atom in orderly fashion, but these cops will split our wigs and throw us in the back of paddy wagons. Either that or lying dead with no face in the casket. They can't open it because your mom's cries will be too tragic. Quick to have Paul X screaming at the captain, but even he won't show up if you don't show him where his cash went. And all the real power only lies with the pastors who tell us turn the other cheek and don't fight the white bastards.
Ayyin daawwattoota keenya amma dhaga'uu dandeessu ta'a. Bakkeen itti argamu magaalaa Minneapolis&St.Paulitti keessatti bakkee kanatti immoo namoonni wal ga'uudhaan ilma mucaa gurraacha as Minneapolis keessatti ajjeefame bu'uura godhachuudhaan dhugaa naa mul'atu yookiis immoo namni yakkaa godhee seerattaan dhiyaatu kan jedhu haaluma wal fakkaatu haqni Joorjii fa'aa argamu justice for George kan jedhu akkasuma immoo stop killing ajjeechaan dhaabbachuu qaba kan jedhu akkasuma immoo kriminaalii yookiis namoonni yakka godhan seeratti dhiyaachuu qaba kan jedhu fa'aati dhaadannoowwan kanaaf kan kana fakkaatan kan iddoo kanatti regireessa arginu egaa mormiin kun ammas jabinaan itti fufeera egaa kallattiin jijjiirraa osoo hin garuun kanatti goree dhimma kana dhiyeessuudhaaf yaale
I'm black, y'all. Win.
something?
What's up?
Can you say something? This is my official media for the diaspora media. So far, since the beginning, I started this thing. Can you say something?
Yeah, most definitely. Say something.
All right, say something.
Hey, like we said, man, we done seen too many years of this. You know, it's been 400 years of this. So my message is to you all out there, how are you activated? You need to be a part of the solution in some way. And think about the future, you feel me? The next generation, the next 400 years. How are we educating? How are we organizing? You feel me? What is your form of activism? We all got a role to play in this fight because we in it together. That's what I gotta say, man. My name is Louis Blaze, and yeah, that's the message. We in here together, man. Peace and love to the people.
All right, thank you. Previously, you did something, a kind of song which have a wonderful message. Can you say that one once more? Your song is the previous one, which you motivate more people.
Oh, that rap?
Yeah.
Yeah, that rap. I said, many families broken down from a systematic strategy. Diplomatic leaders colonizing nationalities. Evil tactics they practice attacking our humanity. History repeating itself and I see insanity. On the journey seeking for wealth and they want to manage me. Take advantage of my talents but not have me eat. I'll be in the grave before being a slave. Tumbling in my DNA, we gon' keep breaking them chains. I say, do you know how I feel to see your brother in the grave? Everybody know who shot him and they threw away the case. The shooter walking free while you broke into a range. The funeral, see your mama and them tears got you raged. Now you fighting for his justice and you trying to make a change. Analyzing all the lies, can see the look up on their face. Been fed up with all the bigotry and serpents that remain. Slithering through our society and sucking everything. Education should be free, medication should be free, transportation should be free, public relations should be free, food and clothing should be free, home and shelter should be free, health and wellness should be free. I'm dedicated to believe that it can be a new day, a new way, a new wave. Or I might start a ride like I'm 2 Chainz, strapping up the booty. Got it going up just like a Tuesday. Yeah, I ain't going out without a few bags. Each and every night, each and every day, for freedom I'ma fight. And each and every way, each and every night, and each and every day, for freedom I'ma fight. And each and every way. And that's the message, man. Fight. You don't stand for something, you're gonna die for just anything, man. That's
if somebody want to follow you, do you have any kinds of Instagram or YouTube, something like that?
Yeah. If y'all
Tell
wanna
them.
follow.
Go ahead.
Yeah, for sure. Follow me everywhere. LEWIEE Blaze. That's Louis Blaze, man. Stop snoozing. You go Google me. LEWI with 2 E's. My name is Louis Blaze because I walk through the fire with no fear, man. Shout out to my king right here.
All right, thank you very much. A wonderful message, bro.
That's what we need.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, my viewers. This is live stream from Minneapolis. It's all about the residents of Minneapolis has been protesting for the point that the black guy killed by white people. That's the point. Oh, come get that. Naguma? Jirtaat? Waya keti? Mega, nuni biyya kanatti yogguu agarru akkuma ati argaatti jirtu. Poolisoonni iddoo kana dhaabatanii namoonni arrabsuu wantoota garaagaraa jedhu. Waan akkasii kun biyya keenyatti amaleeffatamu. Tarii waan naamtu qabda?
Biyya keenyatti mirgi hin jiru. Biyya kanatti nam tokko du'eetii fi uummanni kun gurraacha jechuudhaan wal gahee asitti bahee jira. Garuu biyya keenyatti immoo namni akka sareenuu kabajaa qaba biyya kana keessatti jecha. Kanaaf baay'eetti biyya kana biyyi kun baay'eetti des nama jecha.
Tole isa kanarraa tarii carraa kanaan ati iddoo kanatti si argee mee warreen biyya keenyaa warri qaama mootummaa addatti immoo poolisoonnis ta'e warreen federaalaa yogguu ijoollee nagaa ajjeesan argina qalama baatanii asii garuu bishaaniin darbachaa turanii arrabsaa turanii waan garaagaraa gochaa turanii daandiin guutummaatti cufameetoo homaa tokko yogguu isaan godhan hin arginu. Isa kanarratti tarii waan isaaniif dhaamtu yoo qabaatte galma Oromootti.
Wanti isaaniif dhaamu yoo jiraate obboleeyyan keenya kan akka poolisiis ta'e sakuriitiini namuma ulurraatti uumaman malee isaan bineensarraa uumamanii namuma akka keenyaa sana ajjeesuu fi akkana gochuun isaanii yakka guddaadha. Maaliif kuni dhaabbannaan jarri dhaabbatan obboleeyyan keenyaa jechaadha isaan. Kanaaf uummata keenya akkana gochuun baay'ee ulfaataadha. Kanaaf uummata keenyarraa dhaabbataan jira ansibu kanadha. Isin obboleeyyan keenyaa nutis obboleeyyan keessaniiti rakkinuma isin biyya keessatti akka nu hojjetan isaan nu baasee asitti immoo wanti dhaamsa godhuufi obboleeyyan keenya ka biyya keessa jiran sanaatiif obboleessa ta'uu qaban malee ajjeesuu qaban rukutuus hin qaban namni namummaa isaatiin beekama. Nuti dhaabbannaan biyyis dhaabbate malee namni bineensaa miti bineensiyyuu kabajaa qaban jira.
Galatoomi gaaffii koo xumureera ka Oromooma waan taateef namoota kana gidduutti argeensi gaafadhee torbanuma amma jirru kana keessa yoo fudhanne naannoo Harargeetti hojjetaa qonnaa bulaa kan ta'ee fi haaluma wal fakkaatuun immoo nama biroo nuni arginu naannoo Wallagga Lixaa keessatti immoo dubartii ijoollee afur qabdudha kan jalaa ajjeesan tarii kana faana wal qabsiistee dhaamsa addaa yoo qabaattillee.
Dhaamsi kan walumaa galatti irraa dhaabbachuu barbaachisaadha. Nama ta'ee erginamummaan isaa kabajamee eessattiyyuu biyya kanattis ta'e biyya ofiittis namni sun namarraa kan dhalate dubartiin immoo haadha keenyaa obboleettii keenyaa akkasumas warra keenyaa jecha rukutamuu qabu dhahamuu qabu kuni yoo rukuttaa yookaan dubartii tokko yoo rukutte akka waan haadha kee yookaan jaartii kee rukutteetti kanaafiyyuu irraa dhaabbadhaa isiniin ijaa galatooma adaraa obboleeyyan kiyyaa kan biyya keessa jirtan nama itti dhiina akkanatu karoonaan itti jirti kanaaf namarraa dhaabbata nama rukuteedhaa isiniin ijaa galatooma.
Haa ta'u guddaa galatoonni ulfaatu. Oromoo diaspora media ODM guddaa galatoomaa ulfaadhaa egaa waan jiru mootii qoshee sin daawwachiise anis gara gaaffii deebii kootti kan deemu ta'a. Qophii har'aadhaan keessumaa Piroofeesar Badhaasaa Taaddesee fi Aadde Saamiyaa Usmaan beellameen ture haa ta'u garuu dhimma kana argee kanatti godhee gara boodaadha yoo isaaniif mijate sa'aatii kana irra jira waan ta'eef sinitti dhiyeessine yaala yoo isaaniif garuu mijachuu didee immoo egaa uffatti sin laafama Oromoo diaspora media hordofaan isin jira Hello, my viewers. This live stream is from Minneapolis&St.Paulitti. This is the main intention is for the Black Lives Matter, especially the guy who was killed by the police in this week. They are asking for justice for the guy. They are saying that that one is the address. So what you are following for live stream is from Diaspora Media. Thank you for attending our live stream. Keep in touch. But
No, I don't want to be on the camera.
daawwattoota keenyaa kanarraa dhaabsi guddaan ni argamu. Namoonni keenya biyya keessatti yoo hiriira ba'an ni ajjeefamu ni miidhamu. Biyya kanatti garuu hiriira ba'anii sagalee isaanii dhageessatanii kunoo haala kanaan galuu danda'u jechuudha. Yogguutti wantoota garaagaraa godhan illee waan tokko tokko taajjabaatu. Iddoo kanatti immoo kan agarru no justice no peace kan jedhudha. Kana jechuun nageenyi yoo hin jiraanne haqni yoo hin jiraanne nageenyi hin jiru kan jedhu wayii kan inni arginu. Marreen iddoo kamitti iyyuu haala kam keessatti nageenyi jiraachuu haqni jiraachuu qaba nageenyi akka jiraatuuf jechuudha. Akkasuma kana Central TV isaa keessa.
courage. Show some courage. Shame! Shame! Last night I came here, I threw nothing, you shot at them. I came here with children, with family members, you shot at them. We're peaceful. Is that what you think is normal?
Look away, copper, look away!
Oh yeah, drink some water. Oh, come on.
Drink up, piggy!
Oh, all right, a little break here. Big boy.
You want some more water? We got waters. You want some waters? We got more waters out here, dog.
That's good. Take your water. Shame!
Shame!
Throw your fucking body on the rock.
You give me some or don't shoot me. Throw me some water.
Drink up, fat ass! Drink up, fat ass!
Come on, Piggy! Go ahead.
Welcome up!
amma gara jeequmsaatti jijjiirameeti kan jiru akkuma argaatti jirtanii waajjira poolisii Minneapolis caccabsaatti kan jiranii amma dhimmichi gara jeequmsaatti jijjiirameeti kan jiru akkuma argaatti jirtanii daawwachaatti jirtanii.
Oh shit!
namoonni miira isaanii ibsachuu jecha yeroo ammaa kana yommuu wantoota tokko qabsan argaa jirra amma guutummaatti qabsameera jechuudha.
Smash that damn window! That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah! Yeah! Tear it down! Yeah! Yeah!
Kana hundumaa keessatti obsa poolisoonni qabani kan baay'ee dinqisiifachuu dandeenyu. Namni hundumtuu amma karaa wanyoo kanatti tajaajila dabarsaa jiru. All the windows were broken, everybody is the fence is already distracted. Poolisoonni yogguu waan tokko oh yeah! Look, hey, yo, leave! Ayan daawwattoota keenya amma daawwachaatti kan jirtan. Kan itti libiit baat. Ayan daawwattoota keenya amma daawwachaatti kan jirtan. Show me that. Show me what you saw in your hand.
That's what they hit me with.
What's that?
Hit me right here. Broke my phone probably. But we still out here.
Hey, watch out, fucking pussy. Fuck you.
Amma jeequmsa guddaadha kan deemaatti jiru akkuma argaatti jirtanii wantoota kaafamu kana baay'ee fageenya qaba. Fageenya irratti nufaa amma kana fakkaata jeequmsa guddaatti deemaatti jira. Namni kun akkas babbakachaa jira. Waan kana fakkaatu jechuudha. Minneapolis kan isheen fakkaattee jirtu. Dhimmichi hiriirichi gara jeequmsaatti jijjiiramuudhaan hundumtuu babbachaa jira. Konkolaataa keessatti namni nam'eera badinaani. Haala kana argina jechuudha. Akkuma argaatti jirtanii kunoo iddoo hundaatii wantoota garagaraadha kan isaan gochaatti jiranii. Kunoo asii bakka namoonni baasiilee dhaabbatanii eeggatanii asii immoo kunoo poolisoonnis waan tokko raawwachaa kan isaan jiranii. Asii jechuudha. Garuudhaaf hin jiru ammallee uummanni dhimma guddaatti jira. Isaan dhukaasa garaagaraa gaggeessaa jiru. Uummanni isa kana keessee galaasuu hin jiru.
Fuck that shit.
Baay'ee mufatee haarii isaa waan tokko ibsachaa jira. Hello my viewers, this is directly transmitting from the live stream from Minneapolis, Minnesota in connection with the previous issue that even black guys did by white folks, for that reason the protest is taking place. Looks like that. Hello my viewers, this is live stream from Minneapolis, Minnesota. The protest is under daawwattoota keenya kan daawwachaa turtan tamsaasa kana isin darbaatti kan ture Oromoo Diyaaspooraa Miidiyaadha ODM. Egaa haalli dhimma jiru kana fakkaata. Gurraachi ajjeefamuu isaa bu'uura godhachuun hiriira guddaatu ture. Hiriira kanaan immoo egaa kan nama dinqisiisudha. Haa ta'u garuu amma dhimmichi akka malee haalaan yaaddessaa fi ulfaataa ta'eeti kan jiru. Namoonnis miira keessa galuudhaan wantoota garaagaraa yoo isaan godhan kan nuyi agarru sagalee waan akka dhukaasaa wayii ifaatti dhaga'ama. Dhukaasni kun isa akka biyya keenyatti ittiin nama ajjeessan osoo hin taane isa istumaan namoota baqachiisuudhaan godhanidha. Kan iddoo kanatti arginu kan guddaa galatoomaa ulfaata isin jedhaa waan jiru immoo jalqabuun isin kennaa guddaa galatoomaa ulfaata. Oromoo Diyaaspooraa Miidiyaa ODM ture kan daawwachaa turtan egaa waan kana fakkaata addi jiru. Undertaking here in Minneapolis. The protest is in connection with the black guy killed by the white police in this way it became an issue and everybody is protesting about that one, saying that justice for all, Black Lives Matters, and there are some different kinds of slogans we have been observing here. So it looks like that. Now the thing is changing into a kind of protest, becoming very violent, something like that one. It's not peaceful right now because everybody is doing or something, they are, looks like that. Guddaa galatoomaa ulfaadha. Silaa maaskii ofitti cuqqaalee kanuma immoo Ingiliffa afaan Oromoo fakkaatuunis jira. Kanarratti immoo akka malee wannoo ta'uu hin dandeenye. Kanaaf guddaa galatoomaa ulfaadhaan isin jedhama. Haalli jiru kana fakkaata. Guddaa galatoomaa ulfaadha.
No justice, no peace! No justice, no peace! No justice, no peace!
Fuck the police!
No justice, no peace!
Fuck the police!
No peace! No justice, no peace! Fuck the
Kanarraa tarii warri biyya keenyatti haadha hiyyeessaa ajjeessan, ilma hiyyeessaa ajjeessan, deessuu ajjeessan warraa baratu laata suma jedhuuf hangara kana dhufee isiniif dabarse gurraacha ta'uun koos na ilaallata.
Oh my fucking